How to check if you're eligible to join Zipcar. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. In this article of Zipcar, am I eligible to join Zipcar? As you can see, license must be valid. License without photographs of drivers may warrant the request. And also, you need all these documents. Age requirement is 21 plus and 18 plus if residing in New York, Michigan, or Maryland. Also, applicants joining a university account must be 18 years old. You should have a good driving history. And if you're applying through university program, you'll find who can join the university program. You must be 18 plus years old. Can international students or those under 21 join? Yes. And you'll find all these options. You'll also find membership and cost, which is all these information. You'll find discount in universities or business accounts, and it includes gas, EV charging, miles per day, secondary insurance option, a free designated parking spot, maintenance, 24/7 roadside assistant, and you'll find application fee and all this. You'll find how much you'll get as well and mileage fee. Make sure you do all this, then only apply. This is how to check if you're eligible to join Zipcar. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.